Okay, hi guys, Steve Crew from Fulham Mill here. This is a new pattern for 2023 for us. This is the Howard Croston chenille worm. So I'll show you how to tie it. Okay, so the hook we're going to use is one of our new hooks, grab gate heavy in a size 12, and then the bead is a 3.5mm gold tungsten drop bead. So first things first, I'll just hook one of these beads onto the hook. Okay. So normally I try and secure beads straight away with a bit of glue, but it's a little bit tricky with this, so I'm going to attach some thread first and then apply a little bit of super glue to it and try and push the bead up against it, and it should stick in place. Okay, just check. Yeah, that's going to work. Okay, so just apply a little bit of super glue to that thread, and then we'll push that bead up into it and it should stick. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay, so this fly is a chenille worm that's mostly used on the river, and the reason behind it, I think originally, was because the fun police decided to ban the squirmy worm, which anyone who knows me will know I'm quite partial to a squirmy. So this was the way that guys got around having worm flies that they could use in competitions. So this chenille here is it's just the Fulham Mill suede, super suede chenille. This is in hot pink and it's in size small. So I just want to tie a piece of this in at the back there. So just tie it in on top of the hook shank. Catch it in, run it down. In fact, I'm not sure if I mentioned, but I'm using a fluorescent pink floss here for the body. So just try and make a little smooth body with the floss, and then we just whip finish. So a little short U-turn whip finish. Okay. Let's just attach your floss at the front there. Remove the tag piece. Okay, just grab another piece of this chenille and just tie that in so it butts up against the let me just tie that in again. Just needs to roughly butt up against that drop bead there. Just attaching it with a pinch loop there. Okay, so just smooth that little section out there with your tying thread. Okay, and then we just do a little whip finish. There we go, little 3-turn whip finish. Okay, then just to make this all super secure, we're just going to apply a little bit of UV resin to the body there. So I'll roughly cut these sort of 2 chenille legs to length. Then I'm just going to apply some UV resin. This is one of the sort of the fine ones that cures really quick. Just rotate the fly in the vise there. Just try and cover all of the thread wraps. Doesn't need to be too exact. Okay. Right, there we go. Just apply your UV torch. That'll just cure the resin quick. Okay. And then I'm sure you could leave these chenille legs just as they are, but I think the way just to taper them up a little bit is just touch a lighter flame on it, just tapers them up a little bit, and I actually like to sort of screw that chenille up a little bit, and it makes it look a little bit more natural. So there we go, that is the Howard Croston chenille worm in hot pink. Nice easy tie some up, buy some, give them a try. 2023. Cheers guys.